Playing games on the PC was like... There are a lot of great games on the Mac. Like Warcraft 3. That puzzle game with the Apple logo. That's a great game. I beat it, but it's still fun. The confusing thing about PCs is just, you go to the store and there's just so many games. I mean, everywhere you look. But on the Mac, there's just 6. And you know which ones are good, because you've already played them all on the PC like 5 or 6 years ago. On the Mac, I can play plenty of great games that you just can't find on the PC now. Like Zork, Breakout, Super Breakout, Photoshop. Another great thing about the Mac is upgrades. On a PC, you have to open up your case, swap out your video card, change jumpers. On the Mac, when it's time to upgrade, you just pick it up, throw it away, and go buy another one. Now that's convenience. My name is Gus Sorolla, and I'm a gamer. Well, I used to be.